Look at that. Oh my God. Wow.
Wow. Amazing.
Oh yeah. That's beautiful.
It is amazing.
You get a lot more of those coming.
Yeah,
It's deep.
it's deep, yeah. And also, I think it's really big colony. I think it's biggest one.
Wow.
It's your biggest one?
I think it's the bigger than I had
Yeah.
under shed,
Yeah.
because under shed they were
It was,
like
yeah,
this
it wasn't
deep.
that thick.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take some bees.
Here comes some bees.
Yeah. Oh, there are a lot of bees here.
What are they doing back there?
They just, I don't know.
Getting out of the way?
Yeah. Too many bees here.
Too many bees.
Oh.
That's just too funny. I give her these beautiful bathing suits. She wants to be just like the boys.
Look at that.
What?
Would you ever do that?
In a million years, no.
Wow. Look how thick that is. It's just all bees.
So Zelwer says when he goes to Greenland, if he's in a bad mood, they can feel it and they sting him more.
Yeah, she was crying because
So if he's in a bad mood, they can tell
Yeah, they can feel it, right?
the tension.
Yeah, if you're angry or something, they see more.
I can tell you're calm right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to stay calm, huh?
I'm happy now.
So they only sting you a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Some beekeepers use a special vacuum cleaner.
Baby,
Oh, to suck it.
baby, save me. I can have it.
Oh, that's a handful of bees.
I have one more beehive for tomorrow to remove. It's under shed as well.
Wow.
It's very close to our place.
He's very excited. He's very excited about all this.